Also, I used a handheld scanner, okay, in relation to the reduction of knife crime. So you're in a prescribed area being Service Paradise Safe Night Precinct, so I can use that to run over your personal possessions to try identify and reduce knives in our precinct for the safety of others, okay? What have you got down your shirt, man? So that's metal already. Put on the ground for us. Just move your arms, man. Just move your arms a bit. What's that, bud? So at this point, you're under arrest in relation to possess knife.
Mate, this is the stuff we're targeting, right? It's an offence. You can't carry this in public, mate. It's a possessed knife in a public place, okay?
Just drop it all again. Just pull those shorts up now. Now, what's the green thing now? That's Paradise Police, you're under arrest, okay? Possessing a knife in a public place.